I mean, this is day one hair, and it looks good, okay? You can't tell me different. It looks good. Welcome to therapy. Back to therapy. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. Nice to meet you. Stay a little while, hit subscribe, let's be friends. So in today's video, I'm letting y'all in on a little secret. You know, it's not even a secret. If you've been here on my channel for a while, you know that one, I used to be a brand ambassador for Nature's Little Secret. Even through that partnership, I did not get a chance to try all of the products that she has to offer. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 products I picked up on Black Friday, my thoughts on them. It's kind of like a product review. This is a brand that I love and have worked with, but this is not paid. This is me and my curiosity trying to see if there's any other goodies from Nature's Little Secret that I missed out on. And spoiler alert, I definitely missed out. But hopefully you don't miss out if you watch this video. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna be showing you guys the products, what I thought of them, how they worked on my hair, and then of course how I used one of the products I picked up to achieve this pop-in twist out. Y'all see the definition? First off, I mean, this is day one hair, and it looks good, okay? You can't tell me different. It looks good. It looks good. Stay tuned to see how I achieved this twist out. It's a twist out with a twist actually, but I'm gonna let y'all in on the little secret. But yeah, keep watching. So Black Friday, I decided to pick up some things that I had not yet been able to try, as well as one of her newest products. I think right now it's currently limited edition, but hopefully it's a staple because that's what I just rinsed out my hair. And unfortunately, I did not record it. I should have, but I do have some clips from my phone, so I will insert them. This deep conditioner, guys, hold on, let me bring it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This deep conditioner, oh my gosh. First of all, it smells like peach yogurt. If you've ever had Yoplai's peach yogurt, that's exactly what this smells like. And then the way that it feels, it's a really thick deep conditioner, but they're slip, so it's easy to work through your hair and even easier to detangle with, as you'll see in the clip. But I'm actually going to go and place some more orders for this before you guys go out and buy it all, or before it's out of stock, because this is a really good. I tried the milk strengthening deep conditioner last weekend and I loved it. I don't know if I recorded me putting this in my hair or not. I think I was just trying to test it out, but I did take pictures of it with it in my hair and with it rinsed out of my hair, so I will insert those. But if you're looking for a deep conditioner that's going to help strengthen your hair, I really want to say that this is a protein based deep conditioner, but for some reason, I mean, it has coconut milk and goat milk. I want to say that this is protein based, but I will do my research and verify that. But yeah, when I was detangling my hair to get ready for wash day this week, I had less breakage. Like, I've never had a product work that fast after using it. And it may be because of this deep conditioner. It may be because of the products that I had already in my hair. It may be because of the tea. I don't know, it could be a number of things, but I liked it. And I noticed results right after. So this is another one you want to pick up. This one is not limited edition. This one is, I feel like, always been in the lineup. So, and then today for styling, I'm going to be using the strawberry styling smoothie. Let me smell it. It smells like strawberries. I'm excited. Let me show you guys. And looks like a really thick cream. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a Jordan twist out. I did one of these on my Instagram, but I have not done one for YouTube. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through what it is, what it looks like. It gives some gorgeous curls. So y'all gonna see that whole process. And I really am excited to see, because so far it's been 2 out of 3. Like, I love the milk strengthening deep conditioner. I love the mixed fruit deep conditioner, and so I have no doubt that I'm gonna love this styling smoothie. I'm gonna pair it with a little gel, not too much, just something so that I can get some hold as well. So I ended up switching gels about 1/3 of the way through my hair. So extreme wetline gel wasn't really mixing well with the smoothie. Like, you can see it's like sitting on top of my hair on that twist on the left. So I'm just testing it out with the Main Crush Curltini, and that mixture did a lot better in my hair. It's not sitting on top of my hair, and it like really soaked into my hair. So you know what happens when you try a new product, you got to figure out what works with it, what doesn't. So yeah, I am just working that combo into my hair. I'm gonna detangle that section, and you guys are gonna see all that juice, all that moisture with this combo. Yes. All right, so now we're gonna get into the Jordan twist. I realized while editing this video, the first time I did this twist, I did it the opposite of what I'm about to explain it to you guys. And I don't know, maybe I was tired, maybe I forgot, I don't know. But I ended up starting with a 3-strand twist and then switching to a 2-strand twist. When I first tried this method, I did a 2-strand twist at the base and then finished the rest of the twist with 3-strand twisting it. And I did like those results a little bit better, but these results were popping too. So I think any way you do it, you're gonna get some bomb results. So yeah, I'm just gonna 3-strand twist about 1/3 of the way down my hair. And if you do not know how to 3-strand twist, I do have an old tutorial on my channel. I will link it up above if you want to check it out. But when you get about 1/3 of the way down, you want to split one of your 3 strands in half and add one of that half to one of the strands you have left and the other half to the second strand, and then you're just going to detangle and 2-strand twist the rest of the way down. And what I will say, when I had the 3-strand twist at the bottom the first time I tried this method, the curls at the bottom were a lot more defined. And I had a lot more volume. Where with this way, I had a lot less shrinkage because I 3-stranded twist at the root. And the curls at the bottom, you know, they weren't the worst, but they weren't as defined as when I tried it the first time. So that's a little, you know, something to keep in mind. I think either way works. You're going to get beautiful results. And so this is my hair once I'm all done, kind of showing you guys how the twist with the wet line is still, you know, not soaked into my hair. The white product is just sitting on top of it compared to like the front. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the results. So yeah guys, I took my twist down off camera. I didn't record it, had a lot going on. But these are my results. You guys saw the results. I mean, I should have tried it by itself to really see, but I'm definitely saying like the shine and the softness that I feel on my hair, I don't feel the gel as much. Like I feel more, even in the back where I used extreme wet line, and I did get flaking, a little flaking in the back, but I think that was the gel not mixing too well with the styling smoothie. But yeah, I'm glad I picked these up. I'm so glad I picked these up. I am giving them all 10 10s. Okay, if you have not picked up these goodies from Nature's Little Secret, definitely get on it, especially this bad boy right here. this bad boy right here. I'm about to go place a couple more orders for some more of that because this stuff, I'm in love. I'm in love. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave down below any questions that you have about how I styled my hair, the products that I used, or anything else. And I will see you guys in my next video.